The recent court ruling has prompted some clinics to pause treatments and thrown into question the future of IVF in the state. One state lawmaker says his legislation would allow those treatments to continue. Senator Tim Melson's bill draft says a fertilized egg in vitro is a potential life, but not considered a human life until implanted in the uterus.
We have advanced so far in medicine that we're storing everything from embryos to sperm to eggs for future use, and we hadn't really thought about the consequences of that. And it's time, and it's to figure that out.
Melson is a doctor and currently chairs the Senate Healthcare Committee. He says a woman shouldn't be charged for embryos that end up discarded in the process.
The lady right now that I met with today has one child, currently pregnant with the second, both by IVF, but she has two more waiting in a freezer for future use that she doesn't think she'll use. Now, she doesn't need to be charged with abandonment or manslaughter or anything because she decides not to use them.
A similar bill has been filed in the House by Minority Leader Anthony Daniels. It says that human embryos outside the uterus are not considered unborn children under state law. Other state lawmakers have come out against the court ruling.
This is government interference, telling women and telling families what they can do with their bodies.
Representative Philip Ensler says he wants to see lawmakers take action to update the law.
It's not just some political game. It's not just partisan politics. These are our constituents that are very, very worried and now in limbo. They don't know what they can and cannot do, and that's a very scary place to be in.
Now, it's not clear when these bills may come up in committee. Melson expects his colleagues may have some questions about the legislation, as well as some mixed emotions on the issue. Reporting in Montgomery, Maddie Beertemple, WDHN News for the Wiregrass.